Muppet Babies play day! Isa!
Yeah?
Wanna play a game?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. What kind of game?
Let's play, soccer.
Soccer.
Yeah.
Soccer! What we need for soccer?
Well, we need a ball.
A ball. Okay, you stay here. Animal, go get it. Here you go, Isa.
All right. This is not a ball, this is a banana.
What else we need for soccer?
We need a goal.
A goal?
Yeah.
A goal.
Yeah.
A goal.
Mhm.
Animal, go get goal. Animal, got it! Just for you. Take. We need anything else?
Shoes, like cleats, you know.
Oh, okay. Cleats.
That's what I just said.
Okay. Here you go. Take.
Okay.
Take. Now we can play soccer?
Well, this is not the right supplies, Animal.
We no can play soccer?
No.
Oh.
But we can play a different game.
Yeah, a different game. Animal know just the game. Banana ball.
Banana ball.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Banana ball. Okay, hold that right like that. Yeah. Okay, and you got banana.
I got
Okay.
banana.
Okay, Animal, go over here. Okay. Now throw banana.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah. Banana ball.
Hey, Animal,
Yeah.
what is the chicken for?
Oh, that banana ball trophy. We world champions. Show the world.
Hey, Animal, I think it's a really fun game. You want to play again?
Yeah. Banana ball.